everybody, this is Teresa from Mountain Air Farms. Well, we're not at the sawmill, we're not even on our property, but we're at my sister's property up on the lake, and Randy is happy as a hog in dirt because he's getting to play on his tractor. His tractor's been sitting at a job site for a week, and needless to say, he's had tractor withdrawals. But he's actually helping my sister and my brother-in-law put in a more of a bigger driveway, more gravel. You could tell the bank he cut out. Did a lot of improvements right there because it was so steep and so straight. So yeah, he's just happy as a pig in mud because he's on his tractor today. He's not even paying attention to me. They got a lot of red clay, so they're trying to maneuver everything around and smooth everything out, and add rock where it needs rock, and move rock where it doesn't need rock. I'm going to turn around. They're planning on a few years from now building up here, but this is their view of their lake. Got a little camper sitting out there for right now. So when they do build, they're going to have a beautiful, beautiful lake view. What life's about, helping family, helping friends. There's a lot of people that don't have anybody, that don't have anyone to help them, no one to assist them when they need help. I was glad that, my sister called us and said, hey, can you bring your tractor down here now? We had to delay it a little bit because of weather and jobs that he was on. But today was such a beautiful day, beautiful fall day. And was able to go get the tractor since it wasn't in the mud anymore. The good part of the day up here. She's actually bought us lunch. Just going to show you what we're into today. We'll be on the sawmill this weekend, but trying to get some things done. Well, as always, Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. And remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.